DJI Mini Fly 2 drone. I ordered this last month online through DJI store here in the Philippines. It's called DJI Fly, and they are the official distributor of DJI drones here in the Philippines. The shipping was really quick. It took only 5 days to ship my order, and we haven't opened yet the box. It already took around 15 days after it has arrived, because of course my family didn't open this for me. They have waited for me to come home and open the package. So this is how it looks like. The packaging, it says Oppo. Yeah, but the packaging was really good. As you can see, there are no damages on the package. And so now let's open. So they have included a memory card, 64 GB memory card, and it comes with an adapter as well. So it's a good addition, because I don't have much memory cards as well. I have a couple of 64 GB as well, so this is a good addition to my memory cards, the two of my memory cards are being used by my GoPro. And they have also this packaging here, and yeah, so it's well secured. So now it comes with this. So I have the DJI Mavic here in a box, another box, the original box of the DJI, and then this is also the outside packaging. So packaging wise, it's 10 out of 10. All right, so now let's move to the DJI Mavic packaging. So let's see. Okay, so now let's open the box. So this is DJI Mini 2, and so what's inside the box is, so we have the aircraft, we have the shoulder bag, and they have the screwdriver, the remote control, the RC cable, spare batteries and propellers, USB, manuals, two-way charging hub, and spare control stocks. So now let's open. I'm very excited to open this. Oh my god, look at this. So now I can see the bag. Right. So it is inside the box. As you can see, it is inside the box. This is the bag. This is inside the bag. Okay, everything is inside. Look at how secured, how they will secure our drone inside. And here we have, what is this? Okay, so it's just a the name of the product, specifications in different languages. Okay, all right. So now let's open. Okay. Great. So we have accessories inside. It says accessories inside. And let's just see what is in here. So here we have, so on this small packet here on this small packet, so we have the extra propellers. Okay, these are the extra propellers. Okay, so and this one also for the controller, the drone controller, the maneuvering. So this one. And this one is the screwdriver. So now let's open what's inside this box, this small box. So it says here accessories. So, okay, I think this is for the controller. And this is for the battery pack. Yeah, so there is a couple of extra batteries here and one slot in here. And we have the cable wire and the charger. And now this is the drone controller. So this is the controller, and it already also comes with the maneuver stick. So let me just, so they have given us an extra one, and then we will remove this one here and place it here. Okay, so we'll place it here. And this one can be extended for, and this is where we're going to insert our phone. And okay. So this is our controller. And finally, so we have here the helicopter. Okay, our drone. And of course we have the manual. So let's open. Now, what's a good thing on the Mini 2 and also the other DJI drones? So it comes with a security belt. Okay, so to keep our propellers safe and intact, so we can have this removable safety clip. Okay, so it says please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. And this is now our DJI Mavic DJI Mini 2. So let's remove the stickers here. Okay, it's well secured. Okay, and here as well. Okay, and this one. Okay, so then you can extend. And this is where the camera. Okay, and this is how it looks like, the DJI Mavic. Sorry, I always say Mavic, but this is DJI Mini 2. Yeah, so we will try to let this drone fly, and so just watch out for my next video. But this is really a good for me. I'm so happy to have this drone. Okay, there you have it, the unboxing of our DJI Mini 2 drone. I really love this drone because I have seen so many great footages taken by DJI Mini 2. And the cost of this drone here in the Philippines with a complete package, so that means you have extra battery, a couple of extra battery, a couple of and also a memory card, and what else? Yeah, this battery pack. Actually, this one can also be used at the same time as a power bank. So you can charge your mobile phone, you can charge any other devices here while you are, flying with a drone. And this DJI Mini 2 cost 32,000 here in the Philippines. That already includes the shipping. Here in Mindanao, so I bought the store is based in Manila, and when they ship it to Mindanao, it has additional shipping fees. So, but the shipping, it only took around 5 days to deliver this product. So we will try this drone later on. I'm still on home quarantine, but let me see if I can go outside and let this drone fly for a few moments. So I will just have to charge the battery and let's see. Okay, but nonetheless, this is our DJI Mini 2 unboxing. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified in my coming uploads. And you will also be notified when I upload new videos taken by this DJI Mini 2. Okay, so if you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and share your comment in the comment section below. And please don't forget to share to your friends so that they can also see this video and can also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye everyone!